it's Anya. Today I'll be going through how different concepts from this chapter, particularly the ideas of linear trends and linear expressions, can be applied to real life situations. Let's get started. Jim bought a building in 2000 for $300,000. 12 years later, it was worth $420,000. How much was it worth in 2007? And how much would it be worth in 2019? Assume the pricing is following a linear trend. Alright, so first and foremost, let's determine our x's and y's. So our x's can be years since 2000, just to make it really easy. 2007 would be 7 years, 2001 would be 1 year. It's just very easy variable. So x will be our years since 2000. Let's write that down. Next, let's determine our y variable. So obviously it's going to be the price, but something we can do is put it to be price in hundreds of thousands of dollars, because prices in thousands of dollars. Let's just get rid of that, because we don't really need to be continuously writing all of those zeros. So just to make it easier, we can put our price in thousands of dollars. And now we can determine our points that are given by our problems. So 2000, how many years has that been? Since 2000, 0. And then price in thousands of dollars, 300. That's also going to make it just really easy for our calculations and everything. It's just important to remember to switch back at the end when you're writing your answer out. Alright, what's our next point? 12 years later, it was worth $420,000. So that gives us a point of 12, 420. How much was it worth in 2007, and how much would it be worth in 2019? Okay, so to do this problem, we need to find the slope. So that's going to be y2 minus y1, or x2 minus x1. So this can be our second point, 420 minus 300 over 12 minus 0 is equal to 120 over 12 is equal to 10. So our slope is going to be 10. As for our y-intercept, we already have it right here, 0, 300. So instead of solving for it, we can just substitute that right in. So y equals 10x plus 300. So now we'll have to figure out how much it was worth in 2007 and 2019. So for 2007, let's just sub in 7 for x, 10 times 7 plus 300, y equals 370. So in 2007, it was worth $370,000. So that's all we need to do to find the actual price. Just make sure we convert it back to the thousands of dollars. And as for 2019, y equals 10 times 19 plus 300, y equals 190 plus 300, y equals 490. So that comes out to $490,000. That would be the value of the building in 2019. Okay, so yeah, this is just one example of how linear expressions can be applied to real life. Even if you don't go into real estate and have to study property values, it's important to know for investments how the building prices increase and decrease, so you can make sure you continue to increase your income. And yeah, these types of expressions and trends can be used in multiple different scenarios. Real estate is just one of them. Alright, thank you for listening.